Hi, I'm Ritik. Today we are going to talk about IoT in healthcare and its application. Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer the data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. Now, the question is how we are going to do that. The internet will be the key. The internet is now 20 years old and over 2 billion people are connected to it using computers, smartphones and tablets. The internet currently connects people to people and is now being called Internet Phase 1. The next phase of the internet is just beginning and will connect people to everyday devices and everyday devices to each other. The Internet of Things refers to the devices like sensors and actuators, but now we want to move further into the Internet of Everything as it was coined by Cisco. It gives broader and as it encompasses the devices, data, people and processes. Now to understand this, we can understand it through this pyramid. Now with the sensors, we can acquire all the data we want. But the question is what we are going to do with data. And the thing is, it lies at the top of this pyramid, which is the ability to take correct decisions. Now, Internet of Everything comprises of 4 key elements. People will be the sources. They are considered as end-to-end nodes connected across the internet to share information and activities. Examples include social networks, health and fitness sensors, among others. Things, physical sensors, devices, actuators and other items generating data or receiving information from other sources. Examples include smart thermostats and gadgets. Data, raw data analyzed and processed into useful information to enable intelligent decisions and control mechanisms. Examples include temperature logs converted into an average number of high temperature hours per day to evaluate room cooling requirements. Processes, leveraging connectivity among data, things and people to add value. Examples include the use of smart fitness devices and social network to advertise relevant healthcare offerings to prospective customers. Now, IoT has grown through several stages. First one is passive, which comprises of RFID sensors, and we are currently in the early stages of development. Now we need data, and for data we have to sense it, and there are so many sensors, for example pressure sensor, vibration sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor and radar. These are all sensors and provide us data, and with all that data we finally need to move to the active, which is the response to the sensor data. For example, this which shows a fire alarm system. Now as soon as it senses heat, it sends a control signal which actually turns on the sprinkler, and this is what we actually expect as a response to our sensor data. Finally, we want to move to a regime called awareness, where our device can make its own choices based on data. The final form will be something autonomous like self-driving cars. In contrast to computer and tablets, which are the main devices connected to the internet, Internet of Things devices will mainly be, it has to be low cost, otherwise it won't be accessible to a large number of people. It has to be wireless, as we don't want to surround ourselves with the wire. And to turn an everyday object like a house or car into a small house, we need only 2 things. First is unique address, that is just differentiating between the systems, providing a system its unique identity, and a way to connect the network. The Internet of Things will utilize the existing networking infrastructure, technologies and protocols currently used in homes, offices and on the internet, and will introduce many more. Protocols are designed to operate at a particular level in the networking stack. However, because of the requirement for low powered end devices, there will be major developments in wireless connectivity protocols. For example, we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which are actively developed for low powered applications. And there are new connection technologies like LPWAN, ZigBee, Thread, etc. Now, at the networking level, IPv6 is set to become the standard, but in the immediate time frame, IPv4 will also be used. At the application level, there are a host of new protocols. Some have been available for a long time, like HTTP and MQTT, whereas others have been developed specially for IoT, example COAP. At IoT platform combines several IoT functions in one. It can collect and distribute data, convert data between protocols, store and analyze data. They are available as cloud-based and standalone platforms and are available from many companies, both large and small. Notable examples are Amazon Web Services, IBM Bluemix, Microsoft Azure, and ThingWorx. Now moving on to IoT in healthcare. It comprises of 5 things. That will be first one, product infrastructure. It comprises of hardware, software components that read sensor signals and display them to the dedicated device. Sensors. IoT in healthcare has different sensors devices such as pulse oximeter, electrocardiogram, thermometer, fluid sensors, etc. And then connectivity. Now systems have to be connected with help of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and the things we have discussed earlier. Now analytics. Now all the data that we have gathered has to be analyzed and correlated to the parameters of the healthy patient. Now on the basis of this analysis, one can upgrade the patient health. Application platform. Now IoT system needs a platform to access information to healthcare professionals on the monitored device for all patients with all details. Now there are factors that affect IoT healthcare application, and the first one is continuous research. Now though we have IoT, but we still need to research in the medical regime so that we can develop a better facility for patients. Smart devices. Need to use smart devices in healthcare system. IoT opens the potential of current technology and leads us toward new and better medical devices solution. Better care. Using IoT technology, healthcare professionals get the enormous data of patient analysis and data and facilitate better care to the patient. Medical information distribution. IoT technology makes a transparency of information and distributes the accurate and current information to patients. This leads to fewer accidents from miscommunication, better preventive care, and improved patient satisfaction. Now, future uses of IoT in healthcare will be first one, remote monitoring. Customized software and devices will read data from medical cards of patient in real time and help doctors in conducting a better analysis of patient's health. Now talking about that, Arogya Setu app is kind of an example. Well, not really, but we are kind of at the bay. Wearables, different gadgets that can continuously monitor daily activities of the patient and store the data which will be available to the doctor. They can also help in preventing emergency as patient's information would be sent directly. Now asset monitoring is important because there are so many equipments in the hospital, and any equipment can result in some errors and which can be fatal for the patient. So it will be useful if we have something to monitor all these devices. Now future benefits of IoT in healthcare will be the better supervision and reporting, end-to-end connectivity between patient and doctor, data analysis, alerts and tracking, lower costs, and medication management. Everything that we have talked about IoT, we are still nowhere in the things that we want. There are so many challenges, and with the increase in market for healthcare, the challenges are bound to increase. Now, first of them will be storing mountains of data collected by many devices pose a challenge to the healthcare institutions. This data will also be exchanged among the other devices. The security issues will also rise. Unauthorized access to connected devices can cause harm to patient safety. Thus, proper authentication and authorization will be necessary to achieve success with IoT. Applications that IoT has to offer are not fully developed yet. The widespread of connected devices in healthcare structure is also incomplete. IoT and healthcare together will radically change the service offerings in hospitals. The digitalization in healthcare will be brought by the Internet of Things. Thank you.